In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Studio Mode. If you stream, record tutorials, or run live events, Studio Mode is your safety net. It lets you prepare the next thing your audience will see without disrupting what's live, and then switch over smoothly when you're ready. Start by launching OBS. Once it's open, look to the controls panel in the bottom right and click Studio Mode. Your canvas will split into two preview windows. The left side is your private workspace where you set up, adjust, and test scenes. The right side is what your audience currently sees, often called the live or program view. Think of the left as rehearsal and the right as showtime. In the left preview, you can safely move sources around, resize your camera, toggle overlays, or adjust text and images. None of these changes will appear to viewers until you decide to push them live. This is perfect for fixing a typo, swapping a camera angle, or lining up a screen share without any awkward on-air edits. When your preview looks good, click the transition button in the middle to send that edited scene to the live view. That's your clean handoff from rehearsal to showtime. If you want more control over the style of that handoff, look just beside the transition button for the quick transition options. Cut switches instantly, great for fast, snappy changes. Fade blends gently between scenes, which feels smooth and professional for intros, outros, or speaker changes. Pick the look that suits your content and pace. For even finer control, try the slider in the center. Dragging it slowly blends from the live scene to your preview at your own speed. Release it when you've completed the move. This is especially helpful when you want to time a transition to music, pause midway to compare two shots, or create a deliberate cinematic feel. You can also click different scenes in the scenes list to change only the left preview. This lets you line up what's coming next, like a presentation slide, a game capture, or a guest camera, without ever interrupting the live feed. Make your adjustments in that left window until everything is framed and ready. Your audience keeps seeing the right side the entire time. That's the core workflow. Prepare on the left, confirm it's right, then transition it to the right. With a little practice, Studio Mode turns hectic scene changes into smooth, confident storytelling. Keep creating and enjoy the control and polish Studio Mode brings to your productions.